Yo, what's up? I know it's been a while. It was a combination of university, laziness, YouTube, and Minecraft. But we're back with a video. It's going to be a simple video, because today we're covering adapters that should not exist. In particular, we're going to be covering this. This is, you've probably seen several times before, the existence of a SATA to IDE adapter. But what about an IDE to SATA adapter? So if we go ahead and open the box, you can see here, this takes in a SATA plug, and you just plug it into an IDE hard drive. It's a very interesting adapter. I've never heard of anything like it. I've never seen of anything like it till I found it at like a garage sale or something for 25 cents. So to go along with this adapter, since I recently upgraded a computer to a compact flash card, I pulled this 4.5 gigabyte or 4.3 gigabyte quantum fireball drive out of that computer. So this is what we're going to be using with the SATA to IDE or IDE to SATA adapter. So we could just go ahead and kind of just plugs in like this. Maybe. Let's see. There we go. And it takes its own power. So we're gonna need a computer to plug this into. So I have some. Here we have an HP 500B mid-powered computer. It is absolutely nothing special. I picked it up from the curb a couple of weeks ago because somebody threw it out. So we got our fireball. I forgot, this case is ass. You have to take off the side panel. So you have to take off the front panel to then slide your hard drive in. Then we got two screws in this little cup you can use to... You know what? Fuck it. We don't need screws where we're going. So then we can just put this back on, which is okay. Then obviously clear away some of the. I hate people who zip tie cables. Anyway, so we could go ahead. We could plug in the SATA cable into the adapter, unless, yeah. Okay, that's plugged in. Then the adapter needs floppy power. So if I could just come around here and plug that in. Holy shit! Okay, you know what? We're just gonna run this outside the case because this case is way too cramped on the inside. There. And then we can simply move the camera up and over a little bit. Okay, so first step, this SATA cable is really short. Okay, I'm gonna go get another SATA cable. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I have grabbed an extra long SATA cable. I just noticed there's a Windows 7 key there. You can't have it even though Windows 7 is EOL. Okay, so I need to plug this cable into the thing. I'm gonna assume that's in all the way. Even though I'm gonna assume this is in all the way, because it won't go in any further. Then also we have to apply power to the drive itself, which is kind of Oh my god, dude. I hate Molex so much. It's such a pain in the rear. Okay, now that's in. We can flip this drive upside down. Then we can reattach our IDE to SATA adapter. And then we can plug in our SATA cable. Actually, you know what? If you can see the Windows 7 COA, you can have it, I guess. Okay, there. Now we have our this is a 4.3 gigabyte drive plugged in to our into our adapters that should not exist. So I'm gonna go get this set up, and we're gonna be installing probably Windows XP Home Edition, because why not? So we'll be right back. Okay, I've got everything set up. Here we have the computer. You can see our hard drive is being detected as the Quantum Fireball. And funnily enough, if you actually boot it, DOS from the other computer will still boot. But yeah, we're just gonna install Windows XP. I have the disk. Yeah, the disk is right there. So we're gonna. Oh shit! This is the upgrade version. Ugh, it should be fine. I've made the executive decision that we're just gonna go with Home Edition, and we'll roll with the punches as they come. So anyway, we should be able to select the DVD drive. Ah, damn it! I didn't press the spacebar fast enough. But yeah, as you can see, DOS was booting off of the Quantum Fireball. So we are going to boot from the disk. And I'm probably going to speed this up a little bit in post, because the Windows XP installer is something y'all have probably seen a million goddamn times. So we're gonna let this load and put the box over here, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna let this load, and we'll be back once this is done loading. Alright, here we are at the Windows XP setup, so you can press enter. I agree. Oh god damn it. Okay, we need a disk. Let's go acquire a disk. Does this take NT4? Yeah, this takes NT. Here it is. We have a copy of NT workstation. So we'll take the XP disk out. We'll put in NT4. Wait for the disk to spin up. Is this the list 95? No, it doesn't actually take Windows 95, huh? Oh, no, it does take Windows 95. That's really cool. Anyway. So we have the NT workstation disk in there. Alright, cool. Select a different folder. No. Different folder. Alright. So we're going to take that disk out. As you can see, here's all of our DOS FAT partitions, but we're just going to erase all of them because we don't need any of this anymore. So, delete, delete, delete. And we will format this using NTFS quick. As you can see, 4111 megabyte disk. And now it's just going to copy or begin to install itself to this hard disk. Which, one of the really cool things about this old Quantum Fireball is on the bottom of the drive there's actually a dedicated, like, hard disk activity indicator. Did it already freeze? Hello? It's not doing anything. That's interesting. Okay, let's try a reboot. Oh, it doesn't respond to Control-Delete. Okay, it's really fucked. Okay, let's try that again. That's annoying. Come on, I just want to install Windows XP. How hard is that? You know what would probably make this faster? Actually, we're gonna switch disks again. Instead of using this shitty disk. Yeah, shut up. Instead of using my actual legitimate copy of XP, we're gonna use some cracked up disk of XP, so we'll be right back. Okay, we're back with a different Windows XP disk. We can go ahead and put that in the drive. Here we go, Windows setup, the usual. Hopefully this disk will actually work. And the only reason why I switched this disk is this is a full version of Windows instead of an upgrade version of Windows, which will slightly help in decreasing the amount of stupid shit we have to do to get it to boot. All I gotta do is wait for it to load, I guess. Alright, here's the partition manager, so we can delete this partition. Let's try formatting it as fat quick instead. Because this partition is large. Yeah, that's fine. Who cares? It's fine. Just do it. Is this adapter plugged in the right way? Because I think it just cracked out again. Hello? Mr. Computer? Let me look at the actual adapter lights. It has lights, but it's not doing anything. Is it hard locked again? Yes, it is. Okay. We'll try one more time. And if it breaks again, we're moving on to plan B. Okay, we're back here. Let's just delete this partition. Let's try the easy task of making a partition. Then press enter, NTFS. Quick. Okay. 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 Looks like it's good. Okay. We are... Well, we were copying. I think it froze again. Okay. That's not good. Does it respond to Control-Delete? No, it's just hard locked. Okay. Here's the plan. Because XP doesn't want to work, it's time for Linux. If Linux doesn't work, I am declaring this adapter a failure. I'm still uploading this video because I haven't made a video in way too long. And I wanted to show you... Oh. Wait. Did it, like, unfreeze? Wait, what? Did it unfreeze as soon as I took the disk out? Wait, let me put the... Let me put XP back in. Is this actually gonna go? Or am I just coping really hard? I can't tell. Well, we could try skipping the file. Okay, so basically, this just immediately gives up and it can't copy anything. Okay. We're just going to take the disk back out, and we're going to go back to the original plan of Debian. Which means that getting all the drivers for this was a waste of time, but that's whatever, that's par for the course at this point. Okay, I have the hard power off, hang on. Okay. Okay, boot from the CD. There's the beep. Install. I just burned this the other day. Debian 12. I pressed enter, so in theory, it should just be booting, I think. Yeah, I hear the optical drive. Yeah, okay. VMX, the bunch of Linux shit. Okay, English, United States, American. This is the net install disk. Although that being said, I think that's actually on the disk itself, not from the network. Frickin' who the hell's outside, man? Anyway. I don't think we have DHCP v6. Yeah, I don't think so. Sure, we'll go with Debian. I literally don't care. Me. Best password on the planet. Eastern. Okay. Don't let me down, Debian. Please. Okay. We're gonna use the entire disk. Here's our 4.3 gigabyte ATA Quantum Fireball. All files in one partition. Yes. Okay, it's doing stuff. I can see the drive has a little indicator light. It'd be so weird if XP decided to not work, but Linux just works anyway because it's. Oh man. You gotta hate computers sometimes when they do dumb shit like this, am I right? I don't believe it. It's actually going. While we're here, I'm gonna use my phone to take a picture of the indicator light on the drive itself. And I'll put that on in a post or something, because yeah, it's got its own indicator light, but it's on the bottom side of the drive for some reason. It's really weird. I have no idea why they built it like that. Am I even going to be able to install a desktop environment on this? Probably not, let's be real. So, I'm going to let this cook, and I'll report back in a while if it does anything, or if it doesn't do anything, who knows. Well, the installation failed. If I had to guess. Do we have LSBLK, or like, I don't know, LS? Fuck. Do? DF? Let's see. Target. Okay, dev SDAY, yeah, okay. We ran out of disk space. But yeah, that's really all I can show about this adapter. Is it works. I plugged a 4 gigabyte drive into it. It tried to install Debian with the Mate desktop environment, and it ran out of disk space. But yeah, that's basically all I got. SATA, or IDE to SATA adapter. Is it worth it? No, don't buy this. Why do you want this? Who needed this product? so badly that they invented it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll hopefully come up with some better video ideas later, and I'll try and upload some more videos more frequently. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya!